Cassava is one of the most important crops in Southeast Asia and has been planted in Thailand, Indonesia, and Vietnam for decades. Currently, the area of cassava cultivation in Cambodia, Laos, and Myanmar has also increased rapidly. Cassava becomes an important economic crop and generates a good income for cassava farmers. But there is a new risk that affects cassava production throughout Southeast Asia. In the last 5 years, there is an emerging disease that is dangerous called Cassava Mosaic disease, or CMD. In 2015, the disease was first reported in one field in eastern Cambodia and has spread rapidly to Vietnam and Thailand. Now it is spreading and affecting more than 300,000 hectares of cassava plantations. The disease is caused by a virus, and there is no cure for it. The signs of cassava mosaic disease are: leaves become yellow, crooked, deformed, and spotted. Stems stop growing or may die. Roots are smaller, and yields can be reduced by 30 to 90%. Cassava mosaic disease can be spread in two ways. First, the use of infected cassava stems. If you plant stems that came from an infected plant, the new plant may also be infected. Second, whiteflies are very small flies that bite cassava plants. Their bite can spread CMD from one plant to another. The most effective strategy is to change to disease-resistant varieties and use clean, disease-free stems. The Lao National Agriculture and Forestry Institute, NAFRI, in collaboration with the International Center for Tropical Agriculture Research, CIAT, is developing disease-resistant varieties for farmers, and fully resistant varieties to this disease are also being tested, but this will take 2 to 3 years before they are ready to be planted on farmers' fields. We must prevent the spread of cassava mosaic disease by raising awareness among government organizations, private sector actors, farmers, transporters, and border guards to ban and control the movement of cassava stems from infected districts and stop the import of stems from abroad. Strictly avoid using infected cassava stems to plant. Monitor and inspect if there are whiteflies or abnormalities in cassava farm plantations. Remove infected plants from the field and destroy them by burning or burying, and spraying pesticides if there are unusually high numbers of whiteflies present. If any signs of cassava mosaic disease are found in the field, notify the District Agriculture and Forestry Office immediately. Assist in monitoring and preventing the disease from spreading in order to protect the cassava industry. We have learned a lot in this video. To fight against this disease, everyone should remember: if you find cassava mosaic disease, report it to the District Agriculture and Forestry Office or Provincial Department of Agriculture and Forestry. Use strong and clean stems for the next planting season. Do not buy and import cassava stems from infected areas or if you don't know where they came from. Observe the varieties in your field and choose the most disease-resistant varieties to plant, such as Kasetsart 50 or Rayong 72. Destroy cassava plant residues by burning or burying.